everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Dillard's credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into Dillard's credit card account, first go open your web browser, and as soon as you do that, in the search box type in Dillard's credit card login and press the enter. As soon as you do that, click on this link right here that you see, and as soon as you reach to its official website, click on the login button on the right hand side of the screen. Doing this will take you to the sign in page of Dillard's credit card account. In order to log in, you'll need to enter the information in the required field. Start by entering your user ID in the first text field that you see. Once you do that, move on to the next field and type in your password for your account. Make sure to type in the correct password every time you log into your account if you want to log in without any kind of a problem. Once you are done, you can go ahead and click on the sign on button. But in case you've forgotten your password, click on the forgot password link right beside the sign on button and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After you have all the credentials correct, you can easily go and click on the sign on button without hesitation, and you'll be logged into Dillard's credit card account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.